Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some glitter ombre heart nails. We're going to be doing more press-ons. I'm going to use these soft gel short stiletto nails you can get on TEMU and Shein. These are very nice. They're definitely not super short, but they're not too long, and they come pre-etched on the inside, but you do have to buff the surface, which I did, and I applied them to my nail stands. I'm going to take this Gaoy, I don't know how you say that properly, this peachy nude, it's like a milky peachy nude shade, and I'm going to end up applying 2 coats to the nails. This color looks a lot like the OMBRE Alex nails. Once I got done doing both coats, I realized it's a very similar color. So that's what I'm doing here. I really like these polishes a lot. I definitely want to use them more. This set, again, like I said in my last peach nails video, I'm making like just an excess of press-ons so I have them ready if I need them, if and when I need them, because I started a new job. It went really well. Thank you to you guys who commented and wished me luck and congratulated me. I appreciate you so much. You're so sweet, and it did go well. I really like it so far, so that's a good thing. Another little update, I've been searching because I want to get a new dog, and I think I found one at my local shelter, so I cannot wait to talk to the owner. I'm so excited, and if everything goes as planned, I will most definitely show him to you guys. I don't want to talk too much about it because I don't want to jinx anything, but I really want him so bad. He's exactly what I was looking for, so I'm excited about that. And after I do this coat right here, I do cure them for 60 seconds, and I am gonna do my second coat. I just want to show you what the full opacity looks like. I definitely like it better with 2 coats. Look at that nice color. This is such a pretty peachy nude shade. I'm really happy with it. So this set I didn't really have like a plan for. I don't know. So I decided to do some glitter ombre because I haven't done that in a while, and I wanted to try it with that same brush that I used in the last video, that ombre nail brush. And I wanted to see if it makes it easier, and this is so easy, you guys. If you need just like a quick, cute nail set, do some glitter ombres or ombre something, ombre French tips, because you don't have to like be perfect, and it's just so easy, especially if you use that brush that I'm going to show you later in the video. So after this, I do cure again for 60 seconds. And then I get started with the glitter shade that I'm going to use, which I'll show you in a second. So pretty and so smooth. These are really good polishes. I will link them down below. This brand is available on Amazon. So here's both sets painted up, ready to go. Off camera, I decorated one set because I like to do that, and this is what I came up with. Really no rhyme or reason to it. I was thinking like glittery heart princess nails, so this is what came of that plan. So I'm using this Nail Reserve LA in the Precious. It's super pretty. I'd say jelly pink glitter shade. It has so many beautiful shifts in there. I absolutely loved working with this. It was so easy to work with. Of course, I'm out of frame right there. I'm just painting the whole pinky, a full glitter pink on the pinky, and I do the same thing for the pointer finger. I'm just recreating the other set. I'm not really doing much different. I wanted to keep them pretty cohesive because, I don't know. Yeah. So I ended up just going through my charms and picking out a couple of hearts, like a pearl heart, an iridescent pink heart, and then the big silver heart charm. I just kind of thought they went well together, but this is kind of just a quick little press-on set I wanted to throw together, and I just wanted to share it with you guys so I can show you the sets I'm creating, the sets I'm going to have on deck to wear in the future. So for the glitter ombre, I'm just painting some on the tip of the thumbnail, and here's the brush right here. It's like a stippling brush kind of, so the the hairs are sparser at the tip of the brush than at the base, and I'm just dragging down very light-handed. I'm just using such a light hand when I do this, and I'm just checking back with the first set so I can kind of make it as close as I possibly can, like the same amount of ombre. So I'm just lightly dragging down, checking it, and seeing when I'm happy with it. And then I move on to the other two, doing the same thing, which is super easy, super fast. If you've never tried glitter ombre, definitely try it. Like, it's so easy. You really don't even need this brush. There's plenty of other brushes that you can use to do this, but I got this one in a 3-pack, I think, from TEMU, and it was so cheap. It was like, I don't know, $1 something for these 3 brushes, and they're really good quality. So I'm just dragging it out, blending it out. I go farther down on these ones than I did on the thumb, and I add a little bit more on the tip of the gel polish to get a little bit more opacity just at the very tip, and I blend that in as well. And really it's just as simple as that. So yeah, let me know what type of press-on set I should make next. They're not going to be super long, I don't think. I've been saying, and I just don't seem to ever do it. I don't know why. I want to make some goth nails, like, really bad. And I just keep doing these super girly sets. I don't know. It's like I have 2 complete different sides to myself. So yeah, next set is going to be definitely more darker toned. I'm starting to get over the pinks. But that peach set that I made before this, oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. Can't wait to wear that one. And I'm just carrying that. So I'm going to take these off. My putty was being super annoying. As you can see, some of it does stick to the back of these nails, but off camera, I just wiped them with like a little, kind of like an eyeshadow applicator dipped in alcohol, and I just scratched off all the putty, so they're ready to be worn. Like, it looks like I'm leaving putty, but like I said, off camera, I do take that off, so don't worry. I think I need to put new putty on my stands. I think I've used it one too many times, and it's just being a pain in the ass. So that's what's going on here. And I'm just setting these out on my little heart plate thing. And I think they turned out really cute. I mean, it's not the most cohesive or fancy set ever, but I did end up liking it for not really having a plan. And these tips, that 550 box, they're really good quality. I definitely recommend them. I love them personally. Let me know down below if you've tried any of those 550 box tips from TEMU and Shein, and let me know your thoughts on them, because I want to hear if you like them as much as I do. Even if you don't like them, let me know. And what nail shape should I do next for the goth nails? Should I do squares? Should I do coffin? Like, I've been doing so many stilettos and stuff, almonds lately. You know, I just kind of get stuck on one thing that I use until I'm completely sick of it. But stiletto has always been a top favorite of mine. So now I'm taking this rhinestone glue, and these are my very minimal charms I picked out. So the big heart and the couple of little ones, and I'm going to use some of those right there. Just a couple. You'll see. Super easy, super minimal. I just wanted to kind of like get out another set, and I know it's not necessarily super special, but I wanted to share this with you guys because if you're anything like me, then you're here for nail content. I have so many videos to watch that I need to catch up on of like my favorite nail people here on YouTube. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to that. Are you guys subscribed to Anne Elizabeth? She's my absolute favorite. I love her content so much. Like, she's gonna be so big. I know it for sure. So I'm just flash curing that big charm so it doesn't move, but I do fully cure after this. So I'm just gonna let you watch me apply the rest of the charms to these. It's just super self-explanatory. And I hope that you like these. Let me know what you think down below. And if you're still here, comment me down below some heart emojis. And could you give this video a like for me? I'd really appreciate it. It helps my channel out so much. And I love you guys so much. And here they are all finished, super glittery, super girly, very simple, but I like them. Let me know what you think down below. I love you guys.